Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use multiple Telegram account on one phone. So you just easily add another account. So first open your Telegram. This method will be work on Android and iOS device. Press on settings, click on edit. Scroll down and showing you to add another account. Just add another account, click on to continue. Enter email address, enter the verification code. Okay, and enter verification code from your phone number, and now successfully. Okay, and press on to setting icon. As you can see, now add to account. Just easily convert this. Press on to add more. So that's it.